Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. So what are you doing now?
I I am just talking to you.
Okay, this
But
is
before that, I was drinking milk.
okay. So what is the topic for discussion?
What's your favorite social media?
Yeah. What's your favorite social media? This is our topic. Okay. So what do you think? What's your favorite social media?
I think it's Instagram because you can make reels on it.
Sorry,
I think it's Instagram.
Instagram. Okay.
Yeah. And so, what's your favorite social media?
Why do you think Instagram is your favorite social media? Why do you think? What's the reason?
I think because it's good. Okay. I think because we can post reels.
Sorry?
I don't have any reason, but we can post reels, I think.
Okay. That's why you think social media is your favorite. Instagram is your favorite social media. I think,
Yeah.
yeah, your favorite social media, Instagram. So I think you can you can post a lot of reels in a single day, and you use so many effects in your reels. That's why you like. Am I right? Yeah.
And sometimes I watch only my
Yes,
reels.
Shivan. I don't know your voice is too low. Okay.
Okay, I think there's a baby voice.
Sorry.
I think there's a baby crying voice.
Yes, yes. There is a baby. She's cracking. Okay. Not she's cracking, she's
Nice,
crying.
nice.
Okay. Sorry. So,
And
yeah. And I'm surprised about you that you post so many reels in a single day. Okay. So you are very active in social media. Okay. And also you post your dancing video with your sister. Okay. And
no, I only get 30 minutes of Instagram a day.
sorry,
I only get 30 minutes a day for Instagram.
30 minutes. Okay. And
So whenever I
you
want to
also
use
posted a video. Okay, and you also posted a video with badam badam dada kacha badam. Okay, you dance. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
The name of that, it's getting famous on Instagram.
Yeah, yeah. And this is Bengali song. I told you before that. Okay. And
Hmm.
this is very
Of
funny
course, I
song.
can understand.
Sorry.
Yeah, of course, I can understand.
Okay. Yeah, you can
The song.
understand because you know something about Bengali. Okay. And I know that you can speak two or three sentences in Bengali. Okay. So can you uh, can you tell me some words in Bengali?
তুমি কেমন আছো? আমি ভালো আছি।
Okay. That's very nice. Yeah.
খুব আছে। ভালো আছে, ভালো
ভালো
আছে।
আছি. Okay.
Very nice, ভালো আছে।
Yeah. So and I think
Okay.
your father know Bengali much more than you.
No, he not Bengali.
Okay. And I think your sister can speak Bengali.
Yeah, she can, but she speaks like me.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what's your favorite social media? I think yours will be also Instagram.
Yeah, yeah, yes, you're right. I also think Instagram is
I
my
also
favorite
saw
social
that you
media.
even I
Okay.
also saw that you even posted a college pic.
Yes, yes. I posted a college picture in my Instagram. Okay. And I think Instagram is helping me to get the various kind of people all around the world. Okay. That's why I think social media is good for me. Okay. And also, I am searching good speaking partners by social media. Okay. And I am getting so social media is helping me a lot. Okay, so this is my favorite. Okay, and you can also post various kind of reels. Okay, and you can use so many kind of effects in reels. Okay. So why are you laughing?
The baby is crying.
Yeah, she is very sweet.
I don't know why. I don't know why I feel laughing when baby
Sorry,
cries. I don't know why I feel laughing when baby cries.
your voice is too low, Shivana.
I know. I feel laughing when the baby cries. I like
Your
it.
voice is too low. I unable to hear your voice. Okay, this is my fault. Okay, now.
Hello, hello, hello,
Yeah, yeah,
hello,
now it
hello,
is
hello,
okay.
hello.
Okay, okay, now it is okay. Yeah, tell me again.
Yeah, yeah. I like when a baby cries.
Yes, she's my niece. She's my niece, and she's cracking for something maybe. Okay,
Okay, so where is the baby? This side or this side?
beside.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Where is the baby? Where is the baby? In front of you or left
Yes,
or right?
yes. Beside. She is beside of me. Okay.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Is she fat or thin?
Sorry.
Is she fat or thin?
Cat or thin means. Oh, fat. Okay. She's thin.
Okay,
And do
she's
you
thin.
like baby?
Because some babies are very fat.
Very fat. Okay.
My sister, when I was a child, I was very thin. I was very fat.
Okay. He was very fat. Okay. Yeah.
I were.
Okay. You were very fat. So, do you like fat or not?
Okay, fat people are cute, but not healthy.
Not, not healthy. Okay. And I think I can remember that I saw your picture you posted in your Instagram. Okay. And I saw your sister and you. Okay. Where
My
within.
sister is younger me.
Sorry.
Never mind. Yeah, what were you saying?
I'm saying you posted a picture, okay, with your sister in
Hmm.
Instagram. I saw that. Okay, so
Oh, nice. It means you see my post. Nice.
yeah, nice.
You don't post many reels and photos.
Actually, I don't have much more time. Okay, that's why I don't post.
Bye, my class has started.
Okay, bye. Bye for today. That's it for today. Okay,
You
so
says you says that I use. By the way, you says I use Instagram when my class is going on.
Okay, so sorry for that. So you can go right now. Okay, and you should
Bye.
yeah, you should have to get. So bye bye. You should
Bye.
give attention to your study. Okay, so you can go right now. So bye bye. Have
No,
a nice class.
sometimes class is sometimes class is spent, so I use Instagram that time.
Okay, okay. Yeah, this
Bye.
is your bad habit. Okay, okay. Thank you.
What should I do when class is spent? Bye.
Bye 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 bye.